Today, we're making crispy, golden, homemade chicken nuggets that are juicy and full of flavor. Start by cutting fresh chicken breasts into small, even pieces so they cook perfectly. Marinate the chicken in buttermilk, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and a hint of cayenne. This keeps them tender and flavorful. Set up a breading station, seasoned flour, beaten eggs, and crunchy panko mixed with parmesan and herbs. Dredge each chicken piece in flour, dip in egg, and coat with the panko mixture. Make sure every nugget is evenly coated. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the nuggets in small batches until golden brown. Drain on paper towels. Serve your nuggets hot with honey mustard, barbecue, or ranch. Perfect for kids and adults alike. Crispy, juicy, homemade chicken nuggets, a treat everyone will love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun recipes.